and today is Tuesday, September 24th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Guess what? I jumped on top of the school, parachuted down, I met SpiderMan!
Enough.
But I
You did not mean Spider-Man. You did not parachute off the school. You were at my house. Anyways,
I
Python.
saw Spider-Man.
Rocco. Anyway, here are your morning announcements.
When you're an entrepreneur and you're starting your own business, we invested a lot into the business, right, which are expenses. My name is Frank Morales. I am the COO, the owner of Prodigy Athletic Gear. What we focus on is we are a custom athletic wear and sportswear brand. What our focus is to provide athletic directors and coaches and schools, for that matter, streamlined solutions to facilitate access to customizable sportswear. Right, putting together your business plan. How dedicated are you going to be? Because the successful entrepreneur is not the entrepreneur that is the smartest or has the best idea. The successful entrepreneur is the one that's not willing to give up.
Sorry about that, Pythons.
That'll be it for today, Python. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day. Let's make the school year off the books. We'll be back tomorrow with news and updates. Have a great day. Go!